I'm your host Jeremy. This is Lingo Yes. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say never mind in Chinese. Never mind. Never is 绝不,从不,不. Mind is 放心上. Never mind is like 不要放心上. But we have a very native expression that is 算了,算了. 算了 means forget about it, forget about it. Never mind, never mind. Basically, when you say 算了 or never mind, it convey a bit of a sad connotation that you don't want to bother anymore. You almost gave up. So that's the time you say 算了,算了. Let me give you some examples so you understand this expression better. The first example, what's your address again? Never mind. I'll pick this up by myself tomorrow. It's like 你的住址是什么?你的住址是什么?算了,我明天自己来取货。我明天自己来取货。You know, because he's asking you again, like, what's your address again? So you're a bit of a tired telling, your address. So you say, 算了, never mind, 算了. I'll pick it up tomorrow by myself. 明天我自己来取货。We're closed today. You can come tomorrow. Never mind, I'll find another agency. It's like, 今天我们关门了，你可以明天再过来。今天我们关门了，你可以明天再过来。算了，我还是自己找另一家中介吧。算了，我还是自己找另一家中介吧。You know, they're closed today, and you can. They said to you, "Yeah, we're closed today. Come tomorrow." And you're tired, right? You don't want to come tomorrow. You just say, "Never mind." 算了, I'll come tomorrow. You just say to them, 算了. You're gonna find another agency. So that's the meaning of never mind. Next time, if you're tired of something, or you don't want to repeat yourself, or you just want to forget about it, you can simply say 算了,算了. It conveys a bit of a sad connotation, like you almost giving up. So let's do the final wrap up. Never mind, that is 算了,算了. Meaning, you don't want to talk about it anymore. You don't want to think about it anymore. Just forget about it. If you like our program, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.